What's up, guys? I'm back. We're going fishing again today. I'm going to a local Wednesday night tournament. It's held every week. I usually go out and fish. It's 40 bucks a person, or 20 bucks a head, 40 bucks a boat, but I'm going by myself today because my partner backed out. So, yep, I've got the boat behind me. We're going to the lake, and hopefully tonight we will be able to get into some money. So stick around, we're gonna catch some fish tonight. Let's go fish. Fishing the local Wednesday night tournament here at Lake Mattoon, and 15 boats. 15 boats, 20 bucks a head, 40 bucks a boat, so I had to pay 40 bucks. And I'm pumped. I think I have a legitimate chance today at catching some good fish. I think they're shallow. I have a general idea where they're at. Oh my gosh. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. Jeez. Well, first fish. Not gonna do me any good, but look how chunky that fish is. So, real soft. He's got a shad way down in his mouth. You see the tails? Oh my gosh, that's nuts. See a guy, they're feeding back here. Bunch of shad, dude. There's a ton of shad right here. Like, there's just a ton of them right here in front of me. I don't know how I'm not getting destroyed. I'm doing exactly what it looks like. Like, they're just everywhere right now. Oh my gosh, look at them all. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I caught one underneath a dock earlier. So I decided I'd come back here and give some more docks a try. And no luck. I haven't caught a fish over 10 inches. I caught one That was like 9.5. Literally a 9-incher. So yeah, this tournament I thought was going to be good. I thought I'm just going to come out here and catch fish, and yeah, it sucks. I thought the rain that we got the past couple days would have been the deal breaker. Water dropped like 10 degrees. I mean, I can see fish busting all over the place on shad, but no luck. Oh my gosh. Alright. I get to freak out. I cannot see a dang thing. So I'm getting hung up so much. Alright, I'm back. It is 8:45 at night, and I just got done fishing the local bass tournament. I did awful. I caught a 9-incher, and that's just not going to do it. So I cut out early. I wasn't going to stick around. Everybody else says they were doing awful too, so I mean, I wasn't going to stay and watch a 1 pound, 5-ounce fish win. So I'm headed home. I had a good time. I got eaten alive by bugs, but that's what happens when you go fish night tournaments. So stick around till the next video. See you guys.